Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this is Poco X3 custom ROM reviews. You can see here Ricolino version, Ricolino edition 13.0.1 stable version for Poco X3/NFC based on Android 12. You can see here, and my variant is 6GB 128 variant, and security patch you get July security patch, which is not latest but still okay for MIUI based custom ROMs. Baseband version you can read here. Kernel used here is 4.1.4.190. Puff Surya kernel has been used here. This is the MIUI Ricolino edition MIUI 13 based ROM based on Android 12 custom ROM, and I am running the CPU throttling test. This is a screenshot. Obviously at 4:50 p.m. I took it, and you can see here what happened is when I show I am running the CPU throttling test, sometimes I accidentally remove the app and again I need to run this time. That's why I'm taking screenshot of it, but I will show the genuine screenshot taken in the same ROM. I hope you guys understand. And you can see here the maximum is 158 and average is 142 and minimum is 105, and it is throttled to 84% of its max performance, which is good. I don't believe in these benchmark results. I will say one thing particularly about this ROM is this is an beast ROM, but you can see here it is throttled 84% of its max performance, but in reality it is not the case. Hence I always don't believe in these apps. Maybe it is accurate, maybe some of the apps are running in the background, I don't know, but I don't believe completely on this. You'll just get an idea on this app reviews. Okay, this is the actual MIUI based ROM, and you can see the pill is also very good positioned, and this is the app vault or whatever you get on the -1 screen. You can customize them. If you press here you get options and go to settings, and into more you get here, as you can see, app drawer and classic. You can keep it out. Manage app categories. If you don't want, you can disable. Scroll bar is given. Place new apps on the home screen. I'll disable that for time being. And default launcher is MIUI launcher here. System navigation, gestures or buttons. If you want, you can keep the buttons, and if you want completely full screen experience, you can hide this full screen indicator and gesture confirmation, and some of the shortcuts you can keep from here. And search bar provider also you can keep either search or Google search from here. It depends upon you and user usage pattern. And animation speed, let it be on the balanced only. If you want, you can keep fast also. Double tap to lock screen is available, and some of the basic customization like home screen layout is up to 16:7 is available. Hide app icons and don't show text. If you want, you can enable from here, and animations you completely turn off here. That option is available, and show memory status available. Blur app previews, obviously. These are the cool MIUI stuff. Those are available here, and you can arrange items in the designs. This is the home screen, and let me increase the volume of this. And haptic feedback on this particular ROM is excellent in my opinion. I haven't seen this kind of haptic feedback in any MIUI ROMs, including stock ROMs. If they do like this, the stock ROM, that would be better in my opinion. And you can see direct video call feature is available in this ROM, and there is a call recording feature also, which is working fine, as you can see. No problem regarding that. And gallery application, obviously you get MIUI gallery and plenty of options here. College, video editor and settings, and there are some options like edit option, and you can share here. You can directly print and you can share via Bluetooth and share me and file transfer method. Edit option, you need to download it, and you can see here plenty of options are given here. You can customize here. Sky mode is also available. This is a cool feature available only in the MIUI custom ROMs or MIUI ROMs only. You get all the features here, which is working fine in my opinion. And coming into some of the app settings like security here, you get this kind of security options here. Game turbo mode is given. Deep clean, app lock, dual apps, hidden app, second space. You can even test the real-time internet connection, solve problems. If you want to boost your smartphone, you can use that. Privacy protection, these things are usual Xiaomi MIUI stuff here. Manage updates also, you can update from here. This is very cool, and you can see the speed in the entire UI. You see the same speed, and if you go into settings and check the display and refresh rate 120, and in even 90 Hz also it is very smooth, and 120 now you can see, I will show you one thing. As you can see, it's very smooth, very responsive. As you can see, switching between the apps and going back to home screen and going back to settings, and the entire UI is very smooth, and it is running in very good refresh rate. I can't say exactly what refresh rate because it keep on changing every second. And if you want something more from this user interface, then switch to performance mode. You will be amazed to see the experience. You can see here how quick the experience, I mean how quick the response of this UI will get enhanced here. As you can see, even switching between, as you can see, it's very smooth in my opinion. This is a perfect ROM available for those who like MIUI based ROMs and they want something extra features and they want to root the smartphone and install the Magix model. Then you can use this particular ROM as a gaming ROM also. I will be testing the games like Call of Duty and Apex Legends also. I will be showing those gameplay at the end of the video. Stay tuned till the end of the video, guys. And by the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit the subscribe button down below and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new videos, you'll get notified. And if you like the video, give it a like too. And now moving into actual settings, you get wallpapers and customization here. You get all the plenty of wallpapers here. Library, you can see here my wallpapers. There isn't, yeah, now it has been loaded. As you can see, there are some different kind of wallpapers like Ricolino based ROM it is, hence you get those kind of wallpapers here. And themes, obviously you get Poco and Limitless and my themes. If you want, you can find more in themes section. That option is always available in this MIUI custom ROMs and MIUI ROMs. And icon size you can customize and style also. If you want, you can use the ROMs, I mean use the themes and customize them. Those things are no problem in my opinion. Now coming into locks, here you won't get any always on display. I don't recommend also because it's an LCD panel, but these are the lock screen settings you get in this particular ROM. Now moving back to display settings, again you get brightness level adjustment and sunlight mode is also available. It is pretty bright. It's how it was in the earlier days. It's fine enough, no problem. Regarding the auto brightness sensor is also working fine in this particular ROM. And color scheme I kept to saturated to look the video better, but you can choose standard or vivid is recommended. Yes, it's good. And keep it warm, little bit less harmful for eye. It depends upon you guys. And refresh rate you can keep 90 or 120. I recommend to keep 120 only. You get very good responsive from the user interface. And these are the other options you get in the display settings. And switching between dark mode and light mode is also good. And more dark mode you can adjust text and backgrounds automatically and adjust wallpaper to dark mode. And one thing I am little bit disappointed, as you can see, it's not in pitch black condition. In every other ROM of MIUI I have seen that have always the pitch black condition. I was always complaining about AOSP ROMs like this situation, but this is the first time ever I seen with this particular ROM. The display is, whenever I turn into dark mode, it looks little bit gray type here. I don't know because of theme applied or anything like that. The only complaint I noticed in this particular ROM. It depends upon you guys. Let me know in the comment section, guys, how you like to have in a dark mode. And there's the sound settings. Basic sound settings are working fine. Haptic feedback you can enable or disable from here. Notify about calls you can select from here. Whenever you turned off the do not disturb mode, you can turn these options. Sound effects, you get this preset, you can select from here. And headphone, those things. And headphone jack quality is fine here. And stereo speakers loud enough, no problem. It's not as loud as MIUI Mint earlier versions, what we can say. And I can say one thing, guys, I always remember that Abby X ROG edition is a little bit better in this situation. I can say one thing, this could be the replacement for that. Not replacement, it is very responsive. I haven't seen this much smooth UI for Poco X3 in terms of MIUI. I am speaking, not AOSP ROMs. This is that good. You can blindly flash this ROM if you are a MIUI kind of person, you want customization and MIUI is your basic, I mean, requirement, then you can switch to this ROM. And passwords and security, you get face unlock and fingerprint unlock. Let me show you. The fingerprint unlock speeds are very good. As you can see, just tap it again. As you can see, it gets unlocked. Just tap on the finger, it gets unlocked. And the face unlock is also very quick. As you can see, let me show my face actually. Yeah, now it's get unlocked. little bit I am sitting above the smartphone and it's taking time, but it is fast enough to unlock your smartphone, as you can see. And there is options in settings, like in the security settings. If you go here, not this one, passwords and security, and face unlock, select the password and stay on lock screen. After unlocking, remove that. Now you can see the magic, how quickly it unlock your smartphone using the face unlock. Just seconds away to unlock your smartphone using this MIUI Ricolino edition of MIUI 13.0.1 based on Android 12. And you can see how responsive the UI is. It's not with just this particular apps installed. I even tried with YouTube. You can see how quick the interface is. It's that much. I really felt I want to use this smartphone as a daily driver with this particular ROM. That much good it was. Now moving into settings, back again. Here you can see reloading times are also very quick enough. Battery, I already spoken about that. Coming to battery life, it's very good, and even the 33-watt charger support is there. I'll show you the animation here. You can see here turbo charging me, it's supported. You can use the actual charger. That's how it is. And special features on screen time, it's available. This is nothing but the digital well-being. And special features, you get floating windows, second space and light mode. Some of the features I explained in the security app. Additional settings also, you get plenty of customization, memory extension up to 2 GB for 6 GB variant. If you have 8 GB variant, you will get 1 more GB extension. It's not an actual RAM, it's an virtual RAM. That you need to keep in mind. And I, for some reason, I kept it to United States here. Reason, if you want, you can change it. Because of that it is fast, I don't say it. The UI itself is a fast here. And I hope I explained everything in the settings section. Now let me fastly explain about Android benchmark and Geekbench. You can see here the scores you get are not exactly higher here. 3,58,746 and temperature rise was 1.8 degrees Celsius and 3% of battery drop has been noticed. This is not the great scores ever. Even in Geekbench scores, I try to show you. Yeah, it is here. Okay, into history you can see single score 550 and multi score is 1708. It's a decent score, but this is the big example. You can come to know that the actual scores are different, but user interface wise it's very responsive. Hence I want to tell you one thing, these scores are just a reference, but actual usage is your proper reference, I can say. And Linux 4.14.190 Puff Surya kernel has been using it from long time, and with this ROM is also the same thing. And people complain about the kernel also changing kernel. See here, it's very simple kernel and very simple ROM, but it is responsive. It depends, guys. Not every kernel and every matching with the ROM is possible here. Because of that, people complain me to explain about kernels. It will make difference, but it will not make complete difference. And one more thing here you need to consider is SafetyNet status. It get failed here. You need to manually pass the CTS profile match. Someone has actually recommended to do. I'm sorry, I don't know which ROM I am making it. I forgot to make that. It's very simple. Just while flashing it, compatible magics you need to flash here. I mean to say that I have flashed this ROM using MIUI 13.0.1 latest firmware global version, then flash this ROM zip file and flash this what I said, the magics, the supported version 24.2 or whatever it is. Then you can use this SafetyNet status fix and flash it in the magics model, then it will get passed. Then you can use all the payment applications like PhonePe, Paytm, whatever you want to use, you can use that. And WhatsApp is also working fine, no problem regarding that. I am using this from couple of hours now. The ROM is very responsive. I am again and again I am telling it because it is, then I am explaining it out. And camera, you get here MIUI ANX camera support, and complete MIUI camera is available, 0.6x. All the things are working fine. Portrait mode, night mode. If you want, you can use Gcam ports. If you want astrophotography and some other extra features, then you can use the Gcam port also. And DRM info, L1 party, yes, it is L1. You can use all the OTT application in high definition. That's possible in this particular ROM. Now let's see the gameplay, and verdict is very simple. You can use it as a daily driver. You will be seeing following this Call of Duty and Apex Legends gameplay, screen recorded gameplay. You can justify how it handles, and the quick settings panel, it's properly MIUI 13 based. As you can see, it's in vertical position, and you can see here location was turned on, vibration is also turned on. This is how the MIUI Ricolino edition for Poco X3. You can see here it's very fast and responsive. You can definitely try it as a daily driver, even if you are not a gamer. If you want to use it as a daily driver, and you can see the battery life also, which is very good in my opinion, and even the fast charging is also supported in this particular ROM. Thank you for watching this video, guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.
Scanning the area. Reloading. I'm down.
Deploying health drone.
Off the mic. I'm spotted.
Scanning the area.
Reloading.
Off the mic. I'm spotted. Off the mic. I'm spotted.
Phasing. Reloading.
Off the mic. I'm spotted.
It's go time. Scanning the area.
Reloading.
Deploying health drone.
Off the mic. I'm spotted.
Reloading.
Off the mic. I'm spotted.
This time I'm down.
Reloading.
Off the mic. I'm spotted.
It's go time. I'm down.
Off the mic. I'm spotted. Reloading. Off the mic. I'm spotted.
It's go time. Decoy escape deployed. Airdrop incoming. The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop incoming.